Hello everybody, welcome to today's video, and today we have Moon Dancer. She is a Mustang, and then the Gruy over here is Sedona, and she is a draft cross. Now, we had an incident with these two where we were working them at Liberty, and Sedona got a good kick into Moon Dancer, and consequently you can really see a difference in their relationship. See, Moon Dancer right now is looking at her as being very timid, and you can see she's staying well out of that kick zone over there. She's standing way far back. Now let's go ahead and give them the cue to start going. Come on, come on, come on. So instantly, Sedona's gonna take the lead, and Moon is gonna stay well back from her kick zone. She knows how far she can be before she might put herself in danger, so she's gonna actually cut in. Come on. And get out of that situation. Come on. Let's go. Sedona, come on. You can tell Sedona has her ears back. Body language is just kind of saying, hey, I am boss mare today. And she's actually putting on a little aggressive tendencies. And all the more reason, see that little face? Why she has to do some round pen work. So we're going to keep her going and kind of get that little attitude out of her. And as you can see, Moon Dancer is keeping well in front of her. And you'll see, if Sedona even gets close to Moon, she's gonna speed up or act accordingly. So we want Sedona to get to the point where she softens up, so she's not acting aggressive. And they just get this way, especially mares. It's that time of the month. It can happen. Mares do cycle, and when they do, they get a little bit on the, how can we say it, not so nice side. As you can see, she's starting to soften up already. That look on her face, come on, is starting to soften up. Come on. So we're gonna add some pressure. Add some pressure. There, we got that bucky. Got the nasty face. So we're gonna keep going with the pressure until she softens out. See? And if you couldn't tell over there, Moon said, I'm out. She got too close to me. I don't want to do this. She's not in such a good mood. So let's start again. As you can see, Moon's like, no, don't make me do it. Okay, fine. Working two horses at Liberty, like I said, is a good way to get their respect and command. See what's going on in the herd too. You can definitely tell that these two are not having such a good day. Come on, come on. So working together like this in a controlled situation really does kind of help it. There we go. So now Sedona softened, and as you can see, Moon's still a little bit on alert, but now she's looking at me. All right. Now let's see if I can walk up and get her to join up, and then we know that this has been successful. Okay, now we're gonna walk over and see where she's at. So right now we've got some licking and some chewing, which is already pretty good. So I'm just gonna come into her zone and give her a little pet right here. Make circular motions. That's gonna help her. She's a good girl. Yeah. And then just say, hey, she was a good girl. She softened up for me. So now I'm gonna ask her to give me a little stretch. Come on. Come on. So, and treat, stretch. Treat, stretch. There you go. Bring her head into me. Good. Good girl. All right. Now I'm gonna walk off. Let's see how it goes. Sometimes it doesn't go so good. She's like, no, maybe not so much. So she didn't follow me that time, which is okay. We're gonna go try it with Moon now. All right, let's see how warm and cuddly Moon is feeling. See if she'll join up with me. Give her a little love. I'm gonna do a treat stretch. As you can see, she really likes that. Then I'm gonna walk on off and see if she'll follow. Oh, come on. She She's looking and chewing. She's looking over at me. Come on. Come on. Nope. Okay. Okay, so no join up. We're going to ask her to yield her hindquarters. Come on. So I'm going to look at her hindquarters. Come on. Come on. Yield your hindquarters. Come on. Come on. Move. Move your butt. Come on. Move your butt. There you go. So now she's yielding her hindquarters. Yield, yield, yield. Come on. There you go. Yield. All right. There we got. Now we got licking and chewing. Come over to the opposite side. Hand up. Come on. Let's yield your forequarters. Come on. Come on. Yield your forequarters. Come on. Boy, she's not feeling like it today, is she? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Yeah. She's not wanting to come along at all. Come on. Come on. Stepping over here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Now you're joining up. And then you went, okay. See? She's just having one of those days, isn't she? Come on. Treat. Hey. Treat. Come on. Wow, even that is not working. Come on. Come on. Okay. Now I knew you would work. Good girl. So, not every join up session works so great. And sometimes you have to go back and remind them of the basics. But that's the way it goes. So thank you for joining us in today's video. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember to see more, check out our playlists. So now she's being all friendly. Yeah, wouldn't join up earlier, but now she's just being a love bug. That's how it works.